Today, I got 2 mice from ProtoArc. That's right, we actually reviewed a chair from them pretty recently, and I love that chair. But we're not here to review a chair today. We're here to review mouse. This is the original one. It's like kind of an ergonomic, like handshake style type of mouse. It's called the EM11 NL. The real star of the show here is the new one. This is like the brand new upgraded version of the EM11. It's called the EM11 Pro, and it's made for people with massive hands. Well, medium to large hands. They consider that like anything bigger than like 6.9 inches is what they said. Anyways, super excited to try it out. I've never really gamed on like a mouse like this with like a, hey, how are you type of gaming. And I want to see if it's a good fit for my big hand, because I have gotten a mouse that they claimed was made for big hands when in fact it was still but a baby mouse in my hands. It was very small, so hopefully it's a good fit. Okay, let's start with the EM11 NL. This is the original version. Little warranty card, a message from the designer, customer service. Okay, we get a little usage guide, then we get a little quick start guide. Tells you how to set it up for the first time. And we have the mouse. Very interesting shape, to say the least. This thing is literally sideways. Look at that. It's got that, hey, how are you? Nice to meet you for the first time kind of feel, you know? Okay, we got the full-on user manual and a little cord. Type A, Type C. And I forgot to mention the dongles right here. Okay, here we got the brand new one, the EM11 Pro. This one's supposed to be bigger, better, overall just awesomer. It's ergonomic. They're purely web-based drivers. You can just edit it straight on your browser. Oof, 122 grams. Quite hefty for a gaming mouse. This is 119 grams. 3 extra grams for the size is not half bad. Welcome to ProtoArc, questions and answers, quick start guide. User manual, thick, like me. And the mouse. Oh my God! This thing is literally massive. Yo, 3D printed from a mold of my hand they took secretly. This one's also got a side scroll. They're almost the same weight too. I don't know how they did this. With this one, you also get a bit of an upgraded cable. You get a little bit of braided action going, and you get a colored cable tie for some cable management. Wow. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. In the big hand community, there are very few mice that even exist. It's kind of a niche community. Most people have average size hands. That's why it's average. So, as somebody with big hands, I really appreciate the representation here, because I rarely find something that's built from somebody of my size. Struggle, you know? So, time to hop on to some Marvel Rival. But first, I'm just gonna plug it in and show you guys the web-based software. So, I'll see you guys at the setup.
So, upon doing a bit of research, I found out this one, the dongle was hidden secretly in this chamber. And there it was, right in there. The other big difference that I've noticed, the EM11 NL, which is the smaller one, does not have any customization available. So it doesn't work with the ProtoArc hub, which is their web driver. But the Pro does. It worked right away. Bigger hand, you get web driver. So that's a huge win for me already. Also, just upon using it right away, I noticed that the Pro is just immediately better. Not that the NL is an issue. This one just felt a lot more natural like a mouse, and I felt like my cursor was going more in a natural direction. That's the one thing I struggle with, is changing the angle of the mouse. I'm used to like playing like this instead of having a straight hand, so it's a bit of an adjustment. All my teammates in Marvel Rivals are not going to be happy that I'm... Oh! Where's my hand cam? It's a tiny square. What do I... Oh my God, it's rotating. Stop. It's upside down. Wait. Now it's reversed? What is going on? Oh. Fuck. Okay. No problems whatsoever. What we got here is ProtoArc.com. So we're going to hit add new device. There I am, ProtoArc EM11 Pro, connect, button mapping, or just do nothing. You could just change your button to just straight up not work. Oh, we can do like shortcuts. Make a mouse button paste if you just do a bunch of clerical work. Is that the right term? Is it worth it? Not worth the Google. And you can do macros. Yo, Apex Legends, where you at? You got DPI levels. You can do up to 6. You can go as low as 200, but I like to keep it at 800. So pretty simple, but you can do a bunch of stuff. Anyways, Marvel Rival time. New season Marvel Rival. Yeah. Yeah. This is the smaller one. It feels immediately like a little bit nicer to just kind of throw around during gaming, but I like the size of the bigger one. So I'm at a crossroads. I like this game so much. What have they done to Scarlet Witch? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What does this right click do? I don't get it. It doesn't seem like it. Ah! Let's try the other team up. Chill. Everyone chill. Everyone chill. I'm doing a review. It's not fair. Uh-oh. Oh, this Venom is not happy. Bruh. Whoa, whoa, chill! He is not ulting right now. I'm gone. I'm back. No! Oh, I'm trash. I'm gonna get destroyed. That's it for me. It's over. Where is my team? What the fuck?
You motherfucker, you think you're gonna kill my friend? Revenge. Yeah. Yeah.
I clobbered them. I clobbered them. They're clobbered. Come beat them up. Help. Yo, how did they capture? Where did you come from? Literally, bro. Literally, bro. Literally, bro. Literally, bro. Literally, bro. Yo, my team is locked in all of a sudden. Yeet. Jeff, you're next. Get freaking clobbered, gang. Get clobbered, fam. Get clobbered, squad. You're trash. You're trash. You're trash. I'm getting healed.
This is what you get. This is what you get. Fuck you.
Oh. Literally, literally, literally. He's fucking... That's literally, he's literally aura farming. This is crazy. Ah, he's just so much more powerful than me. I didn't stand a chance. Oh, man. You can't distract me for a second time. Get back here, boy. Get back here. Oh! Fuck you. Fuck you. Clobber. Clobbering time. It's clobbering time. It's clobbering time. It's big mouse time. We can get this win. We can get this win. Are you guys locked in? Okay. And I just need to relax a little bit, you know? Come back, bro. Oh, no. Literally, get wrecked, fam. Yes. Where are you? The flicks on this mouse are like consistent because my hand isn't even touching the mouse pad, which is a first. Hey man, what the fuck was that? Get your ass on. Get your... There's no way you're surviving that, buddy. No, 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 no. Die. 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 Oh. Stop smashing. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god, I literally just snapped him. Oh, where are your healers? Oh. Oh, where's the healers? Here he is. Here he is. I found him. I found the other one. Chill, 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 chill. Chill. Wait, that kind of worked out for me. No, it didn't. Oh, bro. How many times do I have to teach you this lesson, old man? I'll just huck one of those in there. I don't know what's going on in there, but something's happening. Yeah! Yeah! Fuck you! Woo! Yes! Nice MVP screen. Yo, look at all those badges straight up. She's really good. I hope they never nerf her. But definitely nerf Magneto and put a shirt on that man. Anyways, that was 2 mice from ProtoArc. If your hand's bigger than your Samsung remote or whatever, might be a good mouse for you.
Before I leave, I just wanted to show you that you can like use the side scroll wheel when you're like when you're editing and stuff. And that's why a lot of people get these ergonomic mouses. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that, like, you know, there's more uses to it than just gaming. It's not just for gaming. It's mostly for office work and productivity. I just kind of wanted to show it in like an ultimate worst case scenario, you know what I mean? Where you need like the most performance. It's a really good mouse for stuff like that too. And I also wanted to clarify a little bit. I said medium to large hands. It's more for people with large hands. I don't want someone with a medium hand to buy this and be like, why is this mouse so huge? So just keep in mind that if your hand is pretty big, it's a good mouse. If your hand's like medium, it may be a hit or a miss. But if you know you got a big hand, then this is probably one of the best mice for it. I got a big old hand. So anyways, that's pretty much it.
Anyways, if you liked the video, leave a like. Really helps out a lot with the algorithm. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new, and if you're looking to try out an ergonomic mouse for the first time, definitely give this a shot for sure. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks for watching.